right, guys, welcome back. We're here looking at tonight's homework. Um, just going to go over a couple questions here. Pretty basic homework again, kind of dealing with what we've been doing in class. Then I'll have an answer key at the end of the video. If you're just here to check your answers, feel free to scroll to the end and pause it and go through so you're ready to grade your paper in class and save some time. All right, question 157 here. It's just asking which side's greater, three sets of 5 minus 2 or two sets of 2 plus 3. Again, here's the most important part to get credit. Draw diagrams to support your conclusion. So anything to get you started, look, three sets of 5 minus 2. Well, you think what is 5 minus 2, which is 3. So you can just draw three sets of, I know these are terrible little pictures here. Drawing with the fingers, not as, but there's one, there's two. I know take up too much space, but there's three sets of three right there. So that's 9. So go ahead then. You can just draw with dots too if you want. And then do your two sets of 2 plus 3 and you'll know which one's greater. The next one, look, you look at pile 1, you look at pile 2. Which one has more? Answer that. And then again, explain which one has more pennies. It's easy as that. Again, B, two different number expressions. Now remember, we talked about using pictures, numbers and symbols and words. So right here, it's just asking you to give us a number expression. For example, just like up here, you had 2 plus 3. Write a number expression for pile 1 and for pile 2. Simple as that. And see right there, write a comparison using less than, greater than, or equal to. So what you want to do is, write how much pile 1 has here, write how much pile 2 has here, and then use your symbol. Is it less than, is it greater than, or are they both equal? Moving on to the back side, looks like Corinne is helping her mom getting together some loose change. They have collected a large full of quarters and dimes that equal $100. Corinne wants to arrange the coins to make it easy to know how much money they have. So then just draw a diagram using only quarters and dimes. Doesn't matter how many quarters, doesn't matter how many dimes. To make sure that it equals $100, how would she arrange those? Whether is it putting quarters in piles of 4 to have $1, or dimes in piles of tens. You just show us a diagram, or do you want to put them in stacks of 20? Whatever you want to do. All you got to do is draw a diagram. Here you go again. It's just asking you to do a different one. So do diagram up here, and do another diagram down here. And then you just say which one that you drew, A or B, is easiest. Say A or B, and then again, make sure that you explain why. So just a sentence there on which one you think is easier. Right here, again, I believe it's on page 14. People have been struggling with place value. And just look back at that chart if you're still confused on which one's greater. So then you're going to use, again, the greater than and less than symbols. We'll just do here, we have 16 and 5/10ths, and then we have 16 and 52 hundredths. What I usually do is if I added a 0 on to here, I'd have 50 hundredths and I have 52 hundredths. Which one is bigger there? I guess I did a pause there like we're on some kid TV show. Boom, 52 is greater than 50. So sometimes you got to add a 0 or take them off to see which one. And then right here, don't forget D, it says write B in words. So you're going to write 4 in 110 thousandths, and then say which one is greater than or less than to finish that. And then the last problem, you got Aria. She's got 19 friends. They're going to a baseball game. Just to sum it up, she wants them all to sit together, and she wants to make a pattern of a rectangle. So just draw a rectangle and figure out how you're going to make her sit in rows with her friends so they can enjoy the baseball game. Again, there's not really a right or wrong answer as long as you use a rectangle. She said she's considering a row of 20 people sitting in a row. I don't know if that would be that great for a birthday party, because if the person who sits down here, how are they going to sit to the person or talk to them or see them? So you figure out the best arrangement using your rectangle. and then just explain again. I'm always going to highlight that. That's what we're stressing to you. Always make sure if it says explain, you give us a sentence or two to pick, say why you picked that. So that's just the video there. If I can figure out